How to recover deleted draft on Instagram story. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now over here you will find this option of your story. Click on it. With that your gallery will open up. Here you're going to find two sections, camera and draft. Click on the option of draft. Now in this page you're going to find all of your Instagram draft stories. Story draft will be permanently deleted after the number of days zone. After that you won't be able to access them. So drafts are only available for 7 days. In the case you have deleted the draft, you won't be able to access them. But you can give a try to this trick. You can hit back, hit towards your profile page. Now at the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Navigate to the option of Account Center. Then click on the option of Your Information and Permissions. Now click on the option of Download Your Information. Click on the option of Download or Transfer Information. Click on Some of Your Information. Now here you're going to find different options. Check in for the option of stories. Once you are done, you can click on the option of next. Click on the option download to device and click on next. Now here you can select the date range. Likewise, you can select the format. And then you can select the media quality. Then you can click on create files. With that, you have just requested for the download of the file. Once completion of file download, you can come to this page and you will be able to access the file. In that file, you might find the deleted draft of Instagram story. Well, this way you can recover deleted draft of Instagram story. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.